loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by my friend, the lovely Denise over at This and That with Denise Jordan. It is the Summer Kitchen Vignette collab. It's actually a challenge to create a vignette on a tray or something tray-like that you can move around your kitchen to decorate in different areas, or if you need to utilize the space that it's sitting in, and to be able to have it farmhouse theme for this summer. Now, I participated in her last one, which was spring, and this is the second time I get to participate in this collaboration. Now, there were a couple of things that she asked that you use if you had them. She would like you to include an animal, and I have a bird on mine, a floral, and it could be a flower or greenery, in which I kind of have both, and then also something with words on it. And as you can see, I have that this time. So let's just jump in and see what I did on this collaboration. So first of all, I started off with this beautiful galvanized tray, which I think gives it a farmhouse feel. I do not have farmhouse in my house normally, but I think this works really well for it. It has these brass handles on either end, and it came from Walmart last year, though I do know that they still sell it now, and it's approximately $8, $7.99 I do believe. Then I also included this kind of silo house here that has a sparkly glitter roof that they had at Target. My sister picked that up for me on clearance, and it was pennies on the dollar, so that was a very money saving, and I think that also screams farmhouse. I don't think you need to use it at Christmas time. I have it out all year in case I want to utilize it for something. Then for my floral, I have this beautiful greenery that has like little pink flowers at the end that I used in my actual last vignette, but it goes so well with my color scheme and looks really nice nesting this pretty little bird that I got at a shop here in Michigan. It's just a small little shop, and he's kind of distressed on his tail and on his nose, and I also think that goes with farmhouse. I've had him for over a year now, and normally he sits outside in my gazebo area. Then my other floral are these beautiful pink magnolias with a few magnolia leaves. These I purchased from Ollie's of all place like 2 years ago, and I have used them in several different projects here on my channel. In the back, I just have extra because I thought it needed some height, a green glass candle holder that I've shown on this channel several times, and I placed in it a Dollar Tree LED flickering candle, and I wrapped a piece of my favorite ribbon from that store around it to enhance the farmhouse look. And then here is my thing with words on it. I use my letterboard. I love this letterboard. I use it a lot here in my home, and I just love this quote. I was going to do a DIY with this quote on an actual plate. I still may do that and share that with you guys, but it says, "The dishes are looking at me dirty again," and I just think it's really cute, really fun. They have this sign at Kirkland's right now, and it is on clearance. I may just go purchase that one because it's stinking cute. And then at the top, I have my version of a bow on the corner that has been on this letterboard since earlier this year. So this is my entire kitchen vignette for summer with a little bit of a farmhouse theme. I want to thank Denise so much for including me in this collaboration. I will link her channel down below along with the playlist of all the other participants in this collab. Please do me a favor, go by and show everyone some love and tell them I sent you. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. If it wasn't for you, I would not have over 5,000 subscribers here on my channel. So thank you very much. Also, if you are not a member here at Lacey Space yet, I don't know why not, go ahead, slam that subscribe button, click it right now, and the notification bell, become a member. hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. And if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.